This is a very beautiful gardening plant called Pentas, and it's originally from Egypt and North Africa, it seems. And for the garden trade, it has got imported into many countries. And in India also, it is very popular because it's quite hardy and easy to multiply, looks pretty and all. It has soft, somewhat hairy type, mildly hairy type of leaves, and even all the stems and all are very soft, easy to break, and it becomes a big bushy formation. Looks very showy and nice. And in India, it is an invasive. It's an alien plant that has now started invading our escape from gardens and going wild and displacing native plant communities, and then become a threat to livelihood. Once these invasive species come, they become a threat to livelihoods as well as local flora and fauna biodiversity. So it's a lousy plant. If you have it, you can get rid of it and put the Ixora or one of the more local ones.